Thank you for watching videos by Jeff Sibelius and landandairphotos.com. In the past, people complained about DJI's customer service, even their warranty work. But how are they doing in 2018? Watch this episode to find out. Before we get started, this episode is part of an entire series of videos designed to make you a better, safer drone pilot. If you want to learn about drone flying, take this opportunity to subscribe to the channel. Just click the little cartoon Jeff on screen right now to subscribe, and hit the little bell icon so you'll be notified when I post again. When I started with drones a few years ago, one of the main reasons I chose a Yuneec Q500 over the DJI Phantom was the reputation of DJI's customer service. The rap on DJI was that it had slow repair times, your drone had to be sent to China for repairs, their customer service people were rude, and the company did a bad job of communicating. Over the years, I've heard several people say that DJI was working to improve on customer service, and ultimately, I added a Phantom 4 Pro and a Mavic Pro Platinum to my fleet. The Phantom has been a problem-free drone other than issues I had with the Go 4 app, but the new Mavic displayed a problem immediately, where the controller would frequently lose its connection to the drone even if the two were only separated by a few feet. In some cases, the drone wouldn't even take off because the controller and drone wouldn't bind. Finally, I decided to test DJI support to get the drone fixed, and I decided that whatever my experience, I would give you a totally honest review of what took place. So, in 2018, does DJI support suck for a warranty repair? Here's what happened. On Saturday, April 28, I logged into DJI.com and completed a service request. Tip: write down the date you activate your drone and keep a digital copy of your proof of purchase in case you need to make a warranty claim. I was happy to see a postage-paid RMA label show up immediately in my inbox. I was even happier to see that the service center was only 25 miles from my house. No sending the drone to China, mine only had to travel to Grapevine, Texas. On Monday, April 30th, I boxed up the drone and controller and shipped out the package. Tip: save your packaging in case you need to ship your drone back for repairs. Buying boxes and packing materials can get expensive. On Tuesday, May 1st, I got an email that DJI had received the package. On Wednesday, May 2nd, I got an email saying the system had been diagnosed and I would receive an invoice for repairs soon. Later that day, I got the invoice. No charge. The warranty covered repairs. On Thursday, May 3rd, I got an email saying repairs were complete. On Friday, May 4, I got an email with a tracking number. The drone had been shipped. Saturday, May 5, the box arrived with a Mavic Pro Platinum and controller. That's 7 days from submitting my request to receiving the drone. That's pretty impressive. So what can we take from this? I think most people would be thrilled with these results. Getting a drone back in less than a week is amazing. DJI apparently maintains service centers all around the US, so no more sending your drone to China for repairs. The email communications were excellent, and I had a website where I could log in and monitor progress each day. What was less than perfect? I didn't get my equipment back. They swapped my stuff for another unit that had been refurbished. I know this because the plastic cap over the USB port was missing on the controller I received. It was not missing on what I sent in. And the firmware was up to date on the system I sent in, and I had to update the drone I received and reactivate it on my DJI account. Not the same equipment. If we were talking about an Inspire, I'd be upset about not getting my drone back. For a Mavic, it's a minor issue. The bottom line is, DJI has an excellent system in place for providing warranty support when your drone breaks down, and I love the constant communications in local service centers. So, if you avoided buying a DJI drone because you were concerned about their track record for customer service, based on my experience, you can stop worrying, at least when it comes to warranty work. DJI has done a great job of creating a responsive system that gets you back in the air fast. You can buy your drones and accessories from many sources. I encourage you to check out Acesdeals.biz. Acesdeals is an extremely reputable dealer of drones and drone supplies, and I'm excited to have them as a sponsor on this channel. If you use the promo code JSLAP when you order, you'll get a discount as well. Their link is in the description below. Thank you for watching this video. I set up a Facebook group to make it easier for us to talk and arrange opportunities to fly together. Follow the link in the description below to sign up for the group. On screen you'll find links to more videos on how to fly drones, so please check them out. Before you go, be sure to hit the like button. Also, subscribe to this channel so you know when more videos are released. Thanks for watching.